been a dream of mine since I was very little. I've grown up with Rovers my whole life and I've always wanted one of my own to take on adventures.
It's about a collective 2,200 man hours to take it from that to what you saw and ship it.
And when I think of adventure, I've always thought of Rovers.
Hey, my name is Victor from the Little Blue Truck Project, and today we will be doing a video on frames.
Currently, I'm working on bodywork and mechanics while I save up money for a new frame. But since I'm not old enough to get a job, I've designed a logo with my art teacher and I'm selling t-shirts to pay for parts.
Installing this tomorrow, and we'll be getting mounts made up, transfer case mounts and all that on the mounts.
That's the number that goes over. So you can already see just in the electrical areas all the differences for each car.
What is really awesome to me is the support from the people on our social media, and it really means a lot to me that people enjoy my story.